there's just so much I could say on this. And so first of all, like just to say it, yes, like I have been there like in those trenches and like it was a strange place to be because I had been like the optimistic one in my family. I'd been the positive one in my family. And I think I kind of resonate with what you're saying in that too. Like this isn't really me. This has never been who I am. And yet here I am because it's really, really real what we're all feeling. And I know sometimes when we talk about all of this stuff, we talk about mindset and we talk about the way we're wanting to think and going towards like positive thinking, which I use that term really, really loosely. I know it can get kind of, I don't know, it gets kind of confusing when we're in the thick of it. And, is this real or not real? And it is real. Like what we're experiencing when we're in this state is very, very real. And so when we're asking you guys to switch toward thinking more positively, we're not trying to ask you guys to swing so far into toxic positivity, but we're looking at that counterbalance because our survival mind is going to show us the negative. It's going to show us the hyenas, the crocodiles, the tigers, all the reasons why not, all the dangers. And so we're in a biased state already. So to shift us out of that, we just need to look that the other side exists. Even if we can't fully believe it or feel it yet, just look. There's also the sunset. There's also the breeze in the grass. There's also these beautiful birds singing, like just showing your brain that the other side of reality is still there and it feels positive and it feels like a big stretch, but we're really just balancing out those thought processes and showing ourselves that both things do exist. Not to take away from how challenging these things can be and how challenging it is when you're in the thick of it, but also that these other things